Hello guys, welcome to Synthroist. I'm your host, and in today's video I will show you my new timepiece, my new Omega, which I will be adding to my Omega Trio collection. So let's get started. The watch is from 2001, so this box reminds me of this box, which belongs to Speedmaster 300 meters. And let's have a look what do we have here. So this watch is a limited edition. That's a Michael Schumacher Speedmaster, and I'll show you the watch after we have a look at the accessories and the papers and everything. Okay. So that's the red leather wallet, one of my least favorite things about Omega. That's the original card. Yeah, so the watch is from 2001. It's really nice. And that's all the manuals that I should have with the timepiece, as in my Omega 300 meters unboxing. If I'm honest with you guys, I wasn't meant to be buying this watch. However, the deal didn't go through as planned, so I found the other watch, which is really special, and it was a bargain. So I'll show it to you right now. Let's flip the box. Let's flip the box and see what we have here. Yeah, and besides all the papers, I also got the certificate that states that this limited edition watch is numbered. Everything is limited to 6,000 pieces, which I don't know if that's really limited. 6,000, that sounds a lot. However, I'm not bothered with that. I'll move the box from the side. Yeah, and let's focus on the box itself. Okay, would you like to see what's inside? Alright, without further ado, that's the Omega Speedmaster Michael Schumacher with lovely racing dial. That's the version with a 39mm case. What can I say? That is a very special piece. That's automatic watch, as opposed to my Speedmaster Moon watch, which I am wearing today. This one is manual winding. However, this one is completely automatic, so it will fit my collection very nicely. A little variety is always good. Yeah, some spare links if I ever need them. Yeah. What is really surprising is that the box is in really nice condition, taking into consideration that the watch is now 18 years old, so I'm really impressed. Okay guys, so that's the watch itself. It's a very clean example. That's what I always try to buy. Yeah, and on the case back you can see the World Champion 2000, Michael Schumacher, and his signature. Yeah, original bracelet with the Speedmaster and Omega logo. And if I'm honest with you guys, I think, in my opinion, this bracelet is one of the most successful bracelets ever created by Omega. The extreme comfort that you get out of wearing this bracelet is just amazing. And as much as I love my Speedmaster Moon watch, I find this bracelet too chunky and too sharp, whilst this one is just perfect. It is really perfect. I love it. Probably in next upcoming videos I'll show you the whole comparison of my Omega Trio collection. I would like to present everything officially in an official way. Yeah, everything is working. That was my first eBay purchase when we talk about watches. And yeah, that's very nice. Amazing timepiece. The really striking thing and really special thing about this dial is this round sort of red and orange hour markers. That's the reason I actually purchased this timepiece, because I think I've seen this kind of dial on the manual winding Moonwatch. However, the prices are high, so I think that's a great alternative to original Moonwatch. Yeah, that's a really neat watch. Okay guys, let me know what you think about this watch. Was it a good purchase or no? Let me know. I would like to hear out from you. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe to Scene Through Wrist and stay tuned for more. Thank you. Bye.